Alright, today we have a gold package that's taking place on this Jeep. As you can see, it is very dirty on the exterior. Wheels, tires, even the fender wells have a buildup of dirt. Interior is not too bad, just a little dusty with some light vacuuming that needs to be done. And the floor mats need to be degreased. Started off with blowing everything out of the vehicle and then doing a quick vacuum to get all the big debris out before we pre-treat and shampoo the carpets and seats. The driver's side and front passenger had the most. Here's the driver's side here with a lot of dirt, but it cleans up really nice for us to do that shampoo extraction, and we're not picking up any big objects. Now we're cleaning the floor mats. Nice rubber, use just a degreaser. In this case I used a non-acid that we use on tires just because they are rubber, and I think that it does a better job because it's a little more aggressive than a regular degreaser. So just spray it up, scrub them, and then pressure wash them off. Here we use our tornado foam cannon to pre-treat, spray degreaser all over the seats and carpets. We love the Tornador foamer just because it is a great tool to help us spread quickly and efficiently and evenly. Then go with the drill brush and get it agitated so that way it'll help pick up dirt, loosen any grime, any stains that are there. And we just do that section by section. And it makes it very easy to pre-treat the whole vehicle. Right here in this seat, it's actually pretty dirty, had a little bit of stain. You can see it kind of turn a little yellowish, which is exactly what we want. So when we extract it, actually pulls up some dirt and grime, and those stains are lifted. With the pre-treating all done, we move over to our shampoo extractor. We use a Mighty. We have one of the big boys that helps us use it multiple times in the day, so we're not having to worry about filling the water and emptying it consistently. This is going to remove any stains, smells. It helps to get the seats nice and clean. And here's all the junk that was extracted. Nice, dirty brown water. That's what we like to see right there. Next, we move on to the doors. We are going to spray dressing and a degreaser. We started using dressing while we do the degreasing process because it adds a first thin layer of dressing before we do our second pass. It just helps us kind of speed up our process, and cleaning with it doesn't really hurt anything. We spray all our chemicals on, and then we use our Tornador to blow out all the cracks and crevices. This helps us make sure that we're getting all the drips that come out and there's no later dirt drips coming out of the vehicle. This is our final section of the interior wipe down and degreasing process. Same standard thing, spray degreaser and dressing. Use our tornado gun to blow out all the small crevices and give it a nice wipe down. Moving on to the exterior, start with the wheels and tires. For our gold package, we go and clean the underside of the wheel well, the tires, the rims, as well as get a deep clean of the wheel wells. Here we got two of our team members, Jeremiah and Jacob. They started the exterior wash process. So for our gold package, we start with a wash. We use a pre-soak, which is a degreasing soap to remove all the dirt and any waxes that have been applied to the vehicle first. Jacob with some nice motion. Jeremiah, good cleaning, taking his time. Nice smile there. This is our first rinse. Jacob's gonna rinse the vehicle to remove any dirt and grime that we got off with our first wash, and get ready to spray pre-soak again and start the clay bar process. Here at Curbside, we clay bar treat with soap, just because we need that lubrication. Our clay bar pads, we use the nanoskin clay pads. They've been doing us very well over the years, and we like them because they are reusable, and when they go bad, we just buy new ones. Here the boys are drying our vehicle, and they are taking their time. We speed it up because time lapses just look cool. And now we start to dry off our wheels, make sure to do our final cleaning, dress the tires, and we're going to dress the fender wells as well to make sure that they are nice and shiny for the customer to pick up. And here's our finished product of the interior. Floor mats are looking nice, interior is dressed, seats are shampooed, carpets shampooed, and the rest of the interior detail cleaned. And here's our exterior finished product. Nice and shiny after its 6-month spray ceramic sealant, clay bar treatment, and washes. It's looking nice and shiny. Windows have been cleaned. All the plastic trim has been dressed, which is nice. It adds an extra pop for the customers when they arrive.